a vast majority of my personal portfolio right now are in REITs, dividend-paying stocks, and MLPs, which means master limited partnerships.
Yeah, what is it? Yeah, I mean, you want to explain a little bit exactly what an MLP is?
Well, it's MLPs are usually typically you'll see those mainly in the energy sector, the resource sector.
Okay, which is hot right now.
Right. And by law, they have to pay a certain amount of their profits to their shareholders. One particular MLP or two particular MLPs that I love, I've owned for a long time. One is MPLX, which it's a pipeline MLP. Probably 2 million miles worth of pipeline throughout the United States, going in and out from the Marcellus Formation, the Permian Basin. When I originally took my position, it was paying a 17% dividend. So think about that for a second, a 17% dividend. The stock has gone up quite a bit, and now it's paying a 9% dividend. Another dividend-paying stock I love is Alliance Resources. And the ESG crowd's going to hate me for this one because this is a coal company. They produce coal, okay? And that stock has just gone on a tear, and they pay a 9% dividend as well. And my wife and I were hiking in Harpers Ferry about a month ago. And if you don't know anything about Harpers Ferry, it's where the Susquehanna meets the Potomac. So it's a vital transportation highway. And through that is an industrial CSX train railway that goes through there. And when I was there, we saw two trains, CXS trains. I swear it had to be 2 miles long each, of just carrying coal to the East Coast. And they're carrying all that coal to the East Coast, some for domestic consumption, but a lot of it was going over to Europe because Europe is they're facing a very dire winter this year because of the Ukraine-Russian war. So they're shipping a lot of coal to Europe. Another REIT that I like, and I made a lot of money on this REIT in the past, is Innovative Industrial Properties. It was the very first cannabis REIT ever to be offered on the public markets. I originally bought it like at $19 a share. A few years later, it was trading over $200 a share. I sold, made a ton of money, but with this current market downturn, it's back down to $113 a share, and it's paying a 7% dividend.